Events are nothing but user interactions. Like user can interact with application by clicking button, changing value of input fields, hover over mouse. When user click an event, a method will be executed. We call this method event handler. In this episode, I'll discuss how we can handle event in Blazor. Last video, I have created this display customer component. So inside this TR, I'm adding a button, and the caption of this button is delete. I'm adding some bootstrap classes like button danger. Let's save and let's run the application. Here we can see the delete button. When I click this button, a click event will be triggered. Let's see how we can handle this click event. Here in Blazor, we need to add ampersand, then on, then event name. It is click. This is the convention. And inside the on click event, we can specify delegate event handler. So for this, I am using on handle delete. And now I need to define the delegate event handler inside the CS file of display customer. Here, public void to verify this delete button click. I'm adding a toast message and save this razor file also. And let's open the browser and click the delete button. Here we can see the toast message. This delegate event handler can be async with tasks like async task here task 1 millisecond. We also can use lambda expression as delegate event handler. Let's see. So here we need to add ampersand and need to add a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we can define a lambda expression. So in this process, we can pass a parameter like when you just click this button and customer will be deleted. So delete this customer, we need to pass a customer ID. And in here, to define customer ID, you can call a HTTP client. We insert the HTTP client inside this file. And call it delete API to delete the customer. Let's save and run application again. Add a breakpoint here. Let's click this delete button. So when the execution completed, this customer will be deleted from the database. Customer deleted successfully, but still we can see the customer in the grid. Let's reload this page. Now we can see there is only two customers. One customer has been deleted. Hard reload is an issue. This is not solution. This should be reloaded while it was deleted from server. Next video, I will discuss how you can reload this list without having hard reload.